It's so unbelievably beautiful up here. You just have to see it to appreciate it. I can't tell you how many times we have collectively said, how in the world did we get to live here? I mean, it's just awe-inspiring.
I agree.
It's humbling, yeah. When we were looking to get closer to San Antonio and Austin, said you got to check out the Hunt area, because Hunt's kind of the mecca of the hill country, and we'd never been here, and so we came out here one time and we were like, yeah, this is the spot. So yeah, this area is very special.
That's one of the things that I love most about this area is we are part of a subdivision, and there is always somebody planning something, usually centered around wine, but there's always something to do. I think that the thing that makes this place different, the homes are close together and it's all around this gorgeous rock work and fireplace. It's just so conducive to socialization. It's not a house and then somewhere way off is another guest house. It's just all together.
I think that the setting of the house, this whole compound sitting up on top of the hill, it's probably one of the highest points in this area. So, and it's almost 360 views.
Another thing that's really special about this house is how well it's made. I can just say everything, it's not the little flimsy beams, they're enormous beams, and all of the handles of every doorknob is solid and heavy brass. And the front door is massively thick and solid. Every door is solid. Like, the cabinetry is incredible. It's just the quality, really. So when we have tons of friends and family staying, it's so nice because of this large space. I have a great kitchen. I love to cook, and we can congregate, but then everyone has their own space. They can go out into the guest house, and our adult kids who want to stay up late can be out there in their own space. Everybody has their own privacy. It lives really well. It lives really well, really comfortably in that sense.
Well, and having the barn now too, added space for, parking the toys and the Polarises, and having the workout gym down there, it works out great. Between the shallow water park and the deep water park, you can walk or kayak up, because there is a shelf you can walk on, but about 400 yards upriver from the deep water park, they call them the hot tubs, and it's literally holes that have been carved into the rocks. But yeah, it's a great place where people go and hang out and have drinks and sit in the river. It's a lot of fun.
It feels like I live in a movie set. I love the animals. I just love driving around and seeing the longhorns and feeding them. I mean, some of them you can feed by hand, and it's unbelievable. So
we traded some red deer for 4 other species. So now we have oryx, black buck, axis, fallow, red deer, and then still some hill country whitetail. It wasn't even in the realm of possibility for me to think that I would own a property that had actual caves on it. Like, when I tell people our property has caves and I show them, then they go, oh, that's cool. Then you show them pictures and they're like, that's unbelievable. If you like living on a ranch and being around animals and anything about nature and scenery, there's just zero chance you won't like living here. I mean, it's just beautiful. It's a showstopper. There's no way they won't like it.
I don't think I can add anything better to that.